Hello everybody, welcome back to another video on Sneakers Unboxing with Moy. I know it's been a while, but I'm back again. And today we're going to be unboxing the Air Jordan 6 in the electric green colorway. So let's get to it. So of course, we have our box with our Just Do It tape, of course. And then of course, we have our Supreme knife. And we're gonna get straight into it. So always remember, be careful when you open your box. You don't want to damage the box. Okay, so we have the bottom of the box upon opening the cardboard box. So we have our Nike logos, the swoosh, Nike Air, all that with our Jumpman in red on the top right. All right, so let's see how it looks. Alright, so we have our classic Air Jordan 6 box because they decided to give it the original packaging when the 6s first came out. So we have our red Jumpman logo on top of the box. We have Jumpman Air right here, and then as well in the front, and we have our sizing right here. And by the looks of it, there's nothing else to the box. But the colors are black, electric green. So it's Air Jordan 6 Retro, and the retail is $190. So of course I got this in a size 9. And let's see how they look. Okay, so we have our basic splatter wrap. And then we get our shoe. So here's the shoe. I think it looks pretty nice for the color. And the suede's pretty smooth. Let me take out the other pair so we can get a closer look. Okay, so on the uppers we have suede, and then right here feels like a polyester type for this certain section where the laces are, and then of course your plastic, lace hook. And then on the midsole, of course, we have a rubber, and then part of our icy sole, how they say it, and then sole as well, rubber. And on the inside, we have the Jumpman logo on the insole. Can't really see it, but yeah, you can't really see it. I'll show you that in the close-up shots, and it's the same exact thing for the right shoe. Nothing too different. And then you can see, of course, your little air bubble, but you can't see it, it won't focus. But on the tongue we have Air Jordan in print. Can't really see it, but I will show you in the close-ups. And then on the back we have a black Jumpman logo. They didn't make it green, I'm surprised, but since I guess it was already green in the front, they decided to make it black on the back. So, and that goes for the other shoe as well. So let me get you guys the close-up shots and the on feet, and then we can get to wrapping up the video. So let's get to it. right, so that wraps up the video on these Air Jordan 6s. Let me know what you guys think, if you guys would rock or if you guys would drop. But hopefully we'll get another pair of shoes soon, because I know I don't post a lot. Maybe once every 2 months now. I used to do it at least once or twice a month, but shoes aren't easy to get anymore. So just be patient with me. I'll be uploading as much as I can. But other than that, I hope you guys have a great day or night, whatever time you're watching this, and I'll catch you in the next one.